Hi everybody. All leaders and managers, they do many things. But if you prioritize, you will see there will be two large buckets. One is driving business, the other is dealing with people with compassion. Now we'll discuss whether business and compassion can go together. One school of thought feels that if you are compassionate, you will not be able to drive business, and you are business oriented and you are all the time drive business, you cannot be compassionate. And in fact, in the organization you will see there are some managers and leaders highly business oriented, very low on compassion. There are also leaders and managers high on compassion but very low on driving business. And of course, there is one minority, they are neither compassionate nor business oriented. But what we want in the organization is, on a grid of 9-9, can we have people on the right top quadrant of driving business and compassion together? Let's discuss how it works. When you are high on compassion, you are actually caring for people. You are giving guidance. You are empowering. You show empathy. You give feedback. You handhold. You coach. You mentor. In the process, you earn trust. You earn the respect from your fellow beings. And when you actually ask them to do a job, give them a task, ask for fulfillment of targets, it's easier done. Same way, people who are very target oriented, very planned, very pragmatic, very systematic, they will always take cognizance of the resource management. And actually, good businessmen, they always have respect for people and they'll take care of the people needs. They become good people managers. So we have to develop leaders who can integrate business and compassion, and we should prove to the world that it's not a total of 9, it can be 9 plus 9. It's not that if you go more on business, the compassion will come down, or you go more on the compassion of business. No, that's a myth. We can go more on both in business and compassion. And when you do development programs for leaders, let's spend more time on integrating business and compassion. Thank you.